Have you ever wondered if your consciousness is merely an inner phenomenon, or if it could be fundamentally connected to the universe at large? Consciousness for centuries has been perceived as an internal process, a private theater of the mind where thoughts and feelings play out seemingly detached from the world beyond our skulls. But what if this conventional understanding is just the tip of the iceberg? Recent scientific inquiries have begun to challenge this notion, suggesting that our consciousness might be more than a solipsistic experience. This shift in thinking brings us to the quantum realm, where things become not only peculiar, but also profoundly intriguing. Quantum physics, the study of the tiniest particles in the universe, may hold clues to the enigma of consciousness. Could it be that our minds, in their most intimate workings, mirror the vast complex interplay of energy and matter that shapes the cosmos? Could the fabric of our consciousness be woven with the threads of the universe itself? Let's delve into this fascinating possibility. The bridge between consciousness and the universe might be found in the realm of quantum physics. Diving into the world of quantum physics, we encounter a reality quite unlike the one we experience daily. It's a world where particles can exist in multiple states at once, where the act of observation can change the state of a particle, and where particles can influence each other instantaneously, no matter the distance. This is the strange and fascinating realm of quantum mechanics, a field that deviates significantly from classical physics. Now let's introduce the orchestrated objective reduction theory, or ORCH-OR, proposed by Nobel laureate Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff. According to this theory, consciousness arises from quantum processes within tiny structures in our brain cells called microtubules. These microtubules, they suggest, are the stage for quantum events that shape our conscious experience. Think of it this way. Imagine a symphony playing inside your brain with each instrument representing a microtubule. When each instrument plays its part correctly, we experience consciousness. But when the music falters, consciousness fades. This theory suggests that consciousness isn't just a product of complex computations among brain neurons, but is deeply connected to the fundamental laws of the universe. Supporting this theory is a fascinating experiment involving rats. When given drugs that stabilize microtubules, these rats remained conscious longer under anesthesia. This suggests that microtubules indeed play a key role in consciousness, and quantum processes within these structures could be crucial for maintaining a conscious state. So it seems that consciousness and quantum physics might be intricately linked. But what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? If consciousness is tied to the quantum world, it could radically change our understanding of our place in the universe. Just picture it. If our consciousness is intrinsically linked to quantum processes, it might imply that the universe itself is conscious. This notion, known as panpsychism, suggests that all matter has consciousness, from the tiniest particles to the vast cosmos itself. This means that when we tap into our own consciousness, we could be connecting with the consciousness of the universe. It's a radical perspective, but if it holds true, it could revolutionize our understanding of our relationship with the universe. Now let's consider another implication. If consciousness affects quantum processes, it could potentially influence physical reality. This concept, often seen in science fiction, could mean that our thoughts and perceptions have the power to shape the world around us. It's a tantalizing idea, isn't it? But it's one that needs rigorous scientific testing before we can embrace it. Of course, these ideas have their skeptics. Some scientists argue that the warm, wet conditions of the brain are not conducive to quantum operations. However, recent studies on plants and neurons have shown evidence of quantum operations in living organisms, countering this argument. Despite the skepticism, the quantum theory of consciousness is gaining traction. The ORCH-OR theory, proposed by Nobel Prize winner Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff, suggests that consciousness arises from quantum processes in microtubules. This theory was supported by an experiment where rats remained conscious longer under anesthesia when given microtubule stabilizing drugs. Ultimately, more research is needed to fully comprehend the implications of a quantum understanding of consciousness. It's an exciting field, teeming with possibilities. Every new study, every experiment brings us one step closer to understanding the profound connection between our consciousness and the universe. So the next time you ponder your own consciousness, remember, you might be tapping into the very essence of the universe itself.